AstraZeneca is facing class action suit against them in UK, and now they have decided to withdraw their COVID-19 vaccines from across the world. Remember, just few days back when the lawsuit against them was going on, they have in fact admitted in the court that their vaccines do have rare effects of TTS. TTS eventually could lead to blood clot. It could eventually lead to low blood platelets in a person who has been inoculated with this particular vaccine. Now, after that, we have seen that the market authorization of this particular vaccine was withdrawn by AstraZeneca in European countries. And now, last evening, they have issued an official statement saying that they are going to withdraw their COVID-19 vaccines from across the world. They have cited commercial reasons for the same. In their statement, AstraZeneca says that because there's a surplus amount of COVID-19 vaccines and the demand of these vaccines have in fact been lowered down ever since the pandemic has come to an end, that is why it has been decided by the company that they are going to in fact withdraw their COVID-19 vaccines from across the world. Now, what does this really mean for India? We all know that Covishield has the same components. It has been produced by the same manufacturers. Serum Institute in India was the one who has produced Covishield in India, after which we have seen that they have developed over 250 jabs of Covishield, and around 175 crore of Indians have taken these vaccines. So what does this mean for people? Because there are a lot of concerns regarding the rare side effects of this vaccine. Now, the experts have in fact been suggesting that there is nothing to be worried about. If there were in fact rare side effects like TTS, blood clot, it would have shown within 1 or 2 weeks of getting inoculated with this vaccine. So far, we have seen that there were about 36 cases of TTS, out of which 18 people have died because of the rare side effects of the vaccine. Ever since then, there was also a committee that was set up by the Health Ministry who were monitoring the number of people who are showing these adverse effects because of this vaccine. These monitoring took place till 2022, and they have found out that only 0.006% of the people who have taken these vaccines have been affected due to Covishield. And the experts now have been saying that because people have taken not just one jab, but some of them have taken 3 jabs. Remember, the booster dose was also something that was taken around the end of 2022 and 2023. And there has not been much adverse effect that has been seen in people. Out of the population, around 175 crore people who have taken Covishield, only 0.006% have been affected. Now, the Health Ministry also says these adverse effects were monitored for months altogether, for years altogether, and they have found out that a very minuscule amount of population was affected due to this vaccine. But the beneficial effect of this vaccine is much more than the rare side effects. So this is what the Health Ministry has been saying, though they have not released any sort of official statement, and neither has the Serum Institute has released any statement. They are in fact keeping a complete silence when it comes to the adverse effect of Covishield. But the experts, on the other hand, has been saying that these adverse effects of vaccine doesn't come as surprise, because these were very much in the public domain. With each while these adverse effects were mentioned by Serum Institute, and eventually we have seen only 0.006% of the people have been affected with these vaccines.